guys, welcome to vlog. My name is Captain Day. Have a net and for today's video guys, mag-ASMR tayo. You see this? You see this? You see this? You see this? Oh my gosh, it's very ASMR, very. Kung ano ba?
Kita mo na babae sa Facebook. This is very,
very. Listen to it, guys. Oh my gosh, very satisfying, very coquette, very mindful.
ang paborito nyo, idol nyo.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's very ASMR, very satisfying, very. Joke. Guys, it's already broken, and we've got broken it
Ikaw ba
already.
na mapilis ka na? Kita mo ng mga crumbs.
It's nothing.
It's nothing.
Nothing but a trash. Guys. So guys, ito guys, may story ako. Ilonggo ni guys ah. Mangkot ang nanay. Day, abrihi ko na day. Maano ka na ihaw. Ano problema mo dayaw? Gabusong ko na Gabusong? Sino tatay na? Siyantang kami kakayod. Kamu duwaga ayod. Diyan ka walang ayod. Nay sa kampo nyo tablan nay. Sino ka still guys? The ayod is there. The bambembaw is there. Oh my god, ang sakit. Mas masakit pa sa kanya. Guys, hindi mo tumaboy dahil.
Nakasino na, tempered.
Are you doing a suicide attempt?
Kasi tempered. Na?
So guys, let's go na guys.